Today we are going to be solving the Lego Rubik's Cube. So the first step will be to scramble the cube. So let's do that. So that looks scrambled enough. All the sides look equally scrambled. So now let's begin solving the cube. So there we go. We completed the cross, as you could see. So now the hardest step is to come, F2L. So there we go. So far we completed 2 corners, the red-blue corner and the green-orange corner. So now we just have 2 more left to go. So there we go. We completed the first 2 layers of the cube. So now what we have left is just to do OLL and then PLL. So I finished OLL. That took a bit of more time than I thought since the orange side wouldn't really move, and I also messed up on it. So now we have PLL. Looks like it's a T-perm, so that shouldn't be too hard. There we go, we finally solved the entire cube. A few pieces did come off every now and then, but overall I'm honestly kind of surprised that this kind of cube actually works. So yeah.